If you want to eject SIM tray on Samsung Galaxy A27, but you don't have the eject tool, then essentially you can use anything that is thin, straight and sturdy so that it fits into this SIM tray hole. Then of course you will need to apply a bit of pressure to push it into the phone so that the SIM tray pops out, and this is why we need something that is straight, because we want to always avoid angled pressure, and also something sturdy so it doesn't break when you apply that pressure. So the best alternative tool is going to be a paperclip. A paperclip even looks pretty similar to the eject tool. You can find like a small paperclip, you can unfold one side, and then you can just, once you have one end straight, then you can insert it gently into this SIM tray hole, and you want to press it until the SIM tray pops out. You can also use an earring post, so you can use like a plain metal stud earring that is not a hook, that doesn't have a hook or decorative end. Of course, you want to make sure that it is clean and straight before you try to push it into the SIM tray over here. And of course, once you are ready, just insert it over here, just like in the case of paperclip, and press with gentle pressure. You can also try to use sewing needle or pin. It usually works because it's thin, you want to hold it steady, and of course press straight in. Like I said, avoid angled pressure. And also you can try to use mechanical pencil tip, although it doesn't always work, but sometimes it does, so you can of course use the mechanical pencil without lead. When the lead is retracted, then you should be able to put it into the SIM tray hole. However, you want to be careful because plastic tips can break, so apply it with just enough pressure, but also you don't really want to, of course, break it. Now, what you don't want to use at all is, or actually are, because there are a couple of things. So for example, you don't want to use toothpicks or wooden sticks or anything wooden, because usually it breaks off easily. Safety pins with rounded ends won't work. Do not use screws or nails, and anything thick or blunt is not going to work either. So once you have your tool, preferably the paperclip, but if you have something that is thin enough so it fits over here and straight and sturdy, then you should be able to put it over here. There we go. And then apply a bit of pressure and push it into the phone to make it pop out. And then you can use your fingernails or fingers in order to remove the SIM tray from the phone. There we go, I actually dropped my SIMs. That's fine. Once you insert your SIM cards, you want to just push it back into the phone just like that. And of course, make sure that it does not stick out once you put it back in. Leave a like and subscribe.